Welcome to LMS E-Content Development. Myself, Dr. Balasubramaniam, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Zoology, GFJC Chintamani. And today we are going to discuss about the poultry and in the poultry, diseases of poultry. Now this topic, it is the third semester and the subtopic is economic zoology. Say, disease of poultry breeds. Disease is an abnormal condition that is caused by infection, basic weaknesses, or environmental stress. So it is so many factors are there which are influencing the disease. Now it may be infection by any microorganisms, followed by weakness, or sometimes if the body is weak also the disease affects very easily. And of course, no need to mention, stress plays a very important role in the occurrence and spread of the disease. A disease is defined by a specific group of signs or symptoms. So usually the disease has specific group of symptoms. Some particular disease has a particular set of symptoms. Now, following, whenever the disease affects the birds, so these affected birds, the functioning is not normal. Therefore, there is a difference between the disease and the healthy condition. Health is the overall condition of an animal at a given time. Now, disease causes this condition to weaken. So, whenever the pathological condition occur in a living organism, the health is affected. So, this can result in the poor productivity and reduce quality of the birds. It could even lead to the death or loss of one or all the breeds of birds. So there are so many categories in diseases, like it may be genetic, toxic, mechanical, or nutritional. So infectious disease are caused by viruses, bacteria, or fungi. Then other group of the category in the disease is a parasitic diseases caused by protozoans or worms or external parasites such as the ticks, mites, and lice. So in this session we see four types of the disease in poultry, starting with the ranicate disease. Ranicate disease affects the birds and it is caused by paramyxovirus of genus rubella virus. So the virus is the paramyxovirus. This paramyxovirus causes the ranicate disease. Now what this virus does in the birds, so it affects the respiratory system and nervous system of birds, leading to the respiratory difficulty, in coordination, tremors or shakes or somewhat vibrations in the body, and twitching of the head. So normal position of the head is altered. So twitching of the head orientation is altered because of the birds affected by this virus. The disease is caused by Newcastle disease virus NDV and avilovirus. Avian virus cause this disease, ranicate disease. Symptoms of the disease. So the birds show open beak, the mouth is open, the wings are spread, loose nasal discharge. So there is a watery discharge in the nasal chambers or nose, nostrils, and followed by shivering then followed by fever and loose motions or diarrhea, and cause the death of the birds. The birds may die in 1 or 2 days. So these are the symptoms whenever this virus affects the birds. See what the causes of the disease, that is Eradicate disease. So disease is transmitted through infected birds, droppings and secretions from the nose, mouth and eyes. The disease is spread primarily through direct contact between the healthy birds and bodily discharges of the infected birds. So here, whenever these healthy birds come in contact with the infected birds, gradually the spread of the disease happen. So treatment here, antibiotics are given for 3 to 5 days to prevent secondary bacterial infection. Increasing the brood temperature for chicks by 5 Fahrenheit may reduce the losses. So that's what you're seeing here. So here this is the twitching of the head, tremors in the birds, and here this antibiotics or vaccination is given at the right early stage to protect against the disease. So in fact, these poultry, right from the young age, they receive a lot of antibiotics because a lot of diseases occur in the poultry. The second variety is the disease is the fowl pox. Is severe contagious. Contagious means spread by contact. Disease caused by Borrelia avium. It's spread by contact and mosquitoes. So this is the fowl pox caused by Borrelia avium. So the fowl pox symptoms develop on the skin, wattle. So this is the wattle, skin wattle, earlobes, legs of birds which are in primary stage, red or white, then gradually turn yellow and turn black in the last phase. So at the beginning they are white to red color, followed stage, second stage is the yellow color, final stage is the black color. So there are 3 different colors when these affected by this organism. Now, respiratory troubles are there, nasal discharge, swelling on the face, or other symptoms of the fowl pox. So, how to control this fowl pox? It is a vaccination is a must to control the fowl pox. So, this is second disease. You can see here what the nature of the affected birds. So, just there is a drooping eyes and the coloration in the nostrils, skin, and here these birds are almost restless, tired because of the disease. The third variety or the third type of the disease is the fowl cholera. So fowl cholera is caused by bacteria, contaminated fodder, water and feed, and insects are also main cause for the infection. So here fowl cholera caused by bacteria. Now there is a facial swelling and swollen ear, swollen wattles, swollen foot and swollen joints. So you see there's so many manifestations whenever the bacteria infects the birds. So here these manifestations lead to the chronic condition, chronic disease condition. Now the fowl undergoes isolation, loose green motion, blackening of wattles, weakness in the body. So there is a general weakness because of the affected of the disease. The legs are paralyzed. That means the legs are not able to walk properly. So the legs are crippled. Respiratory trouble causes the death of the fowl. Further, the rotting smell prevails in the poultry. Now, these are the symptoms whenever this fowl cholera affects the birds. Now, here, what the control measures? So, vaccination is the at the beginning stage, antibiotics followed by vaccination is a better for the control of the disease. The fourth variety or the fourth type of the disease is the fowl typhoid, caused by bacteria Salmonella gallerium and spreaded by contaminated fodder, food, feed, water and fecal matter. The symptoms are yellow fecal matter, laziness and fever. So whenever this typhoid or fowl pox or fowl cholera affects the birds, so first and foremost symptoms are the lethargy, tiredness, loss of fatigue and restlessness, and the birds will not feed, and automatically the weight of the bird is decreased, and followed by the yielding capacity or the overall condition of the bird is affected. Now the fowl stops feeding and quite often goes for water, though they may not die immediately but transmit it to chicken and also in eggs. Further, the liver and spleen swells and fowl becomes weak because of this fowl typhoid. So here, finally, how to control this typhoid or fowl pox or fowl cholera and Roundicate disease. So vaccination is the best method to prevent many poultry diseases. Following suitable vaccination programs, we should buy only the vaccinated stock. Further, generally, how to control the spread of diseases. So there is a maintenance of hygienic practices like cleanliness, isolation, good aeration, proper maintenance of temperature, supply of water, sanitation, etc. So these are some of the steps taken to avoid the diseases. Finally, references. So Shukla and Upadhyayana, that is Economic Zoology, and Economic Zoology by Renan Mathur, and Vertebrates by Kotpal textbooks. Thank you for listening.